Hi, I'm Polybath, and this is George. I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. George, don't interrupt, just co-regulate, because you're good at that. Let's go. In my classroom, I use prompts to get everyone's attention, like put your hand on your head if you're using whole body listening. This worked for a long time, but now they put their hands on their heads and they keep right on talking. What am I doing wrong here? I see this lots of times, especially at the elementary level. We have these wonderful things that we say, it's the same as our littles. We say crisscross applesauce, 1, 2, 3, look at me, peas and carrots, all kinds of little ditties, and they're fun. And we really expect kids to, whoop, that's what the teacher just said. That's our prompt to stop talking and pay attention. But here's the thing. I think we overuse them, and they are management, but they're not intervention. See, so they're not instruction. So if I'm going to use them, I can't overuse them. And just inventing a new little ditty isn't going to solve the talking problem. So I got to make sure I every day come out and say, hey guys, when you hear put your hand on your head, if you're using whole body listening, let's take 2 minutes and make sure we know what that looks like, sounds like, and feels like. So today, if you hear me say, put your hand on your head, and by the way, don't do it every time somebody's just like mumbling, or if you, like I said, if you overuse it, it's just another thing that you say. And kids are like, yeah, what? Yeah, oh, we're talking. So you got to be careful. So make sure you always use the management, which is that little kind of thing like, peas and carrots. I've heard some great ones out there, and I'm sure you have a library of them. As a matter of fact, if you have a library of them, go ahead and post those in the comments below, because we always enjoy mixing it up. And so mixing up is a good thing, and kids will respond better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.